Welcome to our review of the Kenmore 1214-200 series pet-friendly bagged canister vacuum designed for efficient cleaning. This vacuum features a powerful two-motor system and an HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. It offers 4 height adjustments to optimize airflow and clean all surfaces, from bare floors to carpets. Weighing less than 20 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver around your home. The vacuum includes 3 handy attachments: a dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool for versatile cleaning. With a 9-foot attachment reach and a 24-foot retractable cord, it easily covers large areas. Enjoy a pet-friendly, thorough clean with this reliable Kenmore vacuum. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.